Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this new courier logistic website which has real-time tracking and email notification. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how this website works, how you can set up this website for yourself. So this is the front page of the website. You can see it's a very beautiful design. It's well laid out and structured for you already. The content and the details have been added already for you. So see, yeah, so everything's here. You see the about us page, the service page. You have sea and ocean freights, road transport, air freight, warehousing, packaging and storage, and all that here. So let me just show you. Alright, so this is the about us page. You can see the content has already been added already. So now let's just go to the tracking page and you can see how that works. So just click on track shipments and also see how the contact us page too. So let's track a shipment real quick. You can see the tracking page. See, it is well designed already for you. And okay, let's add our tracking number. Alright, so click on track shipments. Alright, so once you put in your tracking number, will take you to this particular page. You can see the tracking number, status verified, current status, you see custom hold, last updated, you can see the date here, you see the sender's information, you can see the receiver information, shipment details, 3 kg, type, air freight, shipped May 7th, 2025, you can see the location, you can see the travel progress, you can see order confirmed, package by courier, carrier on the way, custom hold, then delivered. You can see shipment history, you can see pending customer clearance, delivery, is delivered, delivery, custom hold, and all that here. You can see the live map here too of the package. Here you can see the package image, duty fee, which is the paid, the weight 3 kg, estimated delivery date, delivery mode, and all that here. You can also see print the receipt and pay for clearance fee, because this tracking logistic website comes with clearance fee too. So you can just click on, if you click on pay clearance fee, let's give it time to load. If you click on pay clearance fee, you can actually make payments for that particular shipment. Let's say if there is a custom fee you need to pay, you can actually update that from the admin side to make the users pay for that particular fee, which is actually amazing, which is an amazing feature here. Alright, let's give it time to load. You can see payment method, payment details, confirmation. So you can pay through Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. Right, so this is the amount for you to pay. Then you just have to click on that, click on proceed. Shipment clearance and processing fee. Alright, so just let's see. Okay, so you can see this. So you have to make payments to this particular address. You can just download this QR code. Start making payments, submit the proof here, and complete shipment payment. So basically, this is how the logistic website actually works. So the next part I'll show you now is how the admin can actually manage this website, how the admin can add the package, how the admin can update the shipment, they can add the clearance fee, custom fee, how they can set up the website and all that here. So let's go to the admin side so I can show you that real quick. So once you log into your dashboard, take you straight to this part here. You can see total shipment of 3, you can see the shipment statistics, you can see the latest shipment and all that here. So now, if you want to create a new shipment, before doing that, let us go through each of this step here. So let's go to manage shipments. All right, click on that. Okay, let's give it time to load. So manage shipment, where you can actually see all the packages on this particular website. So you can choose to you can search. You can just see this particular one. This is tracking number. You can see the sender, the receiver, the origin and destination. See that here, the status, order confirmed, and the created dates. Now you can choose to print out the receipt here. Let's print this out. Now you can still choose to view more details about this particular shipment. So let's click on view. Right, let's click on view real quick. Let's see. Right, so our receipt is loading while the details for this particular shipment is still loading. Let's give it time to load. Let's see. All right, as you can see, this is the shipment invoice. So you can see it's well designed for you already. Invoice, you can see everything's already here. The quantity, description, date created, the shipment cost, ground cost, so total. So it's here already. So you can choose to print that as a PDF. So let's click on here. This part is to view the details of that particular shipment. You can choose to, okay, this is the barcode. You can see the seller information, package details. You can see the photo here. You can see the receiver information, cost information is the shipment cost, ground cost, and the total amount. You can see tracking history, shipment confirmed, Lagos. All right, so that's just that for this particular place. Let me just go back. I can choose to see edit this particular details too. If you click on edit, you can just edit everything here. So let me just go back and see the other parts we can check out. So let's click on update. Okay, update is the same thing. Edit, you can choose to update. Okay, update, you can update the status of this particular shipment. So you click on update here. Let's check that out. Right, so you can choose to change the status to picked by the carrier on the way, custom hold, and delivered. If you click on custom hold, it starts to change to custom hold and all that. So once you are updating these details, put the current location. You can put the let's say delivered. You can put the current location. You can say America. Then the comment has details. You can put anything there. So this will be visible to the customer. So you can choose to say once you update this, you don't want to send email notification to the customer. And after you do that, just click on update, or you can choose to mark this and still update. So it's actually the same thing. All right, so it's the current status currently. So that's just that for this particular session. Now let's go to create new shipment. So we can actually see how the shipment can create a new package on this other particular website. All right, so let's give it time to load. Let's see. All right, so how you can add packages on this shipment on this particular website. Just have to put the sender name. Let's say Mark, sender's email. You can put the sender's email here, sender's address, the origin location, receiver information. Put that there. You can put the receiver email, receiver phone number here. You can put the destination location with UK, US, any country that's a destination. Then the receiver's address, you can put it here. So this session is just for the receiver details. While under here is the shipment information. You can choose to put the quantity, the weight, the dimension, how long it is, like 60 centimeter, 300 by 20 centimeter, and those kind of stuff. Here you can upload the shipment photo. Okay, if it's a black bag, if it's a package, just have to upload the picture here. Then payment methods, be it prepaid, senders pay, third party, receiver pays, all those kind of stuff. Anyone that suits your need, you put that there. The package description, it can be a black green bag or a package or gold, whatever the package is, just put the description there. Here you can put the shipment cost, let's say $30, $20. Then you can put the clearance cost, put that there. And the shipment date, you can pick the shipment date, if it's today, tomorrow, whatever, put that there. Expected delivery date, just put that there. Then the status can be paid, unpaid. So put on unpaid, that's what the user will see. So delivery percentage completed, so it can be 10%, 20%. So that's the progress of the shipment. So if I fill in all these details here, all you have to do is just to click on create shipment. So that's just that for that. So next thing you can do now is actually check out this shipment deposit. So these are the deposit the users have made, so the clearance fee and all kind of stuff. So here you can see the deposits and choose to view it or do whatever you want to do with it. So let's wait for that to load so I can see that. Right, you can see this one here is currently pending. It's currently pending. You can see the amount is $4,688, and you can choose to view this, delete or process this So let's say we want to view this. Let's view this eye icon here. Click on view real quick. All right, so let's see. You can see other history here. You can see what have been processed. You can see every other ones there. So let's wait for to view this. So you can just see this here. That's a video description. You can just go back. Then let's process this particular image, this particular deposit. So click on process. I want to process this particular one. Let's say this one. Let me process this. So click on process. So if you click on process, it will be showing process like this. So that's just that for this. Here you can see your email service, right? So email service, you give it time to load. All right, so this is just email service. You can choose to send. Okay, that's just that. So here you can see the app manager. All right, so here you can do the basic what do you call it, site configuration. Come in. So you can, yeah, you can add a manager where you can add the, or someone like help you manage the admin. You can say super admin conversion agents and all that here. So here you can manage admins here. So settings is app settings where you can actually update the settings of this particular website, update the name and all that. So here you can update the name of the website. Here you can edit this. You can edit the website URL, the office address, then WhatsApp number. If you don't want to use WhatsApp, leave it empty. You can add your Tido live chat here, then year started and all that. Here you can still update the logo for this particular website. Here you can edit the contact email on the website. You can change the currency. Here you can set up your SNTP so that when users make payments, when users if you add a new package, users will receive notification, all that. So you can just create a webmail, put in the details here. I'll show you guys how you can do that once we are setting it up. Put in the host, which is your domain name, the port 465, SSL, put the email, then the password. So that's all that for that. Basically, this is how this website actually works. You can see it's very easy to use, straight to the point. So next step I will show you now is how you can actually set up this website for yourself or for your clients. So now let's do that real quick. All right, so once you gotten your domain name and hosting and you log into your cPanel, you take it straight to this dashboard. So if you don't know how you can get your domain name and hosting, the number will be under this video. Just contact them and get your domain name and hosting for you. All right. Now, so for this, I want to be uploading it in a subdomain because this is a test work. So search on domains. I think I have a domain here already. All right, let's see. I have a domain here already. Let's see. It's test one. If you're not uploading yours in a subdomain, you'll be uploading it in here, public underscore HTML. It's actually the same process. You understand? So I have this here already, which is test one. Let's upload this here. All right, so what we have to do now is that click on upload here, select the file from your computer. So let's look for the file real quick. Okay. All right, so we actually have to wait for this file to finish uploading before we can actually do anything. So once it has shown 100% with the green color, you know that's finished uploading. So while that is uploading, let's create our database. So go back to your panel, search here, DB wizard, click on that. This particular one, DB wizard, database wizard, click on that. All right. So our database name, you can just name it anything. Let's say Z-ship. All right. So click on next.
Payment received in OPay.
So after doing that, copy this particular name. If you use this particular name here and use this name here as a password, so that will be your database name, username, and your password actually be the same thing. I like doing it that way because when I'm setting up my database connection, all that, it will be very easy for me to actually set up. Understand? So click on create user. All right, so take you here, click on allow all privileges, click on make changes. Okay, after doing that, I'll just wait for it to finish loading. So while that is okay, you can see database. If you see your username and your database name actually the same thing, just copy one of them and go back here, search for php myadmin, this particular one here, click on it. Alright, so while that's loading, let's check for our file has finished uploading. Alright, our file is not finished uploading, still uploading there, so let us wait for it to finish uploading, then we can continue the next step. Now it has showed green, that means the file has finished uploading. So I have to cancel this here, just reload this page here. Click on right click, go to extract file. Actually the same process if I print the subdomain or the main domain, which is public_HTML. Actually the same process. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish extracting so we can continue. It has finished extracting something like this, so just click on close, load this particular page, and we still have a particular folder here. So this zip file, on it again, just delete this, delete. Nice. So click inside that folder, click on select all, move everything outside that zip folder like this. So click on move. Perfect. You will get something like this. Now before you do that, you have to actually, before you move everything out of this particular, where's the folder, this zip folder, if you click on this settings here, click on show hidden files, make sure you do show hidden files first. All right, before you move everything outside. So once you have done that, go into this env file, edit. So so actually we're going to set our database. So I already have my database copied, so just paste that here, paste that there. All right, so after doing that, put in your site URL. So my site URL, let's just go look for that, and okay, let's wait for it to load. All right, so let's wait. All right, so let me look for my website. This is test one. Just click on this real quick. All right, copy this. All I have to do is just to come here, just paste it here. All right, so this is HTTPS. All right, it's perfect. No, sorry, HTTPS. All right, so once I'm done with that, just click on save. Make sure you save. Then go into this folder. Where is it? Where is it? This folder. Database folder. This one here. Click on. Oh, sorry, not that one. Let's upload our SQL file. So the database name we created, which was zship. So just look for it real quick. This is it here. Click on it.
Payment received is okay.
Click on it. Then click on import. Click on browse. Set a particular file, SQL file. Click on import. So once it has finished importing, you select a green success message here. You know it has finished importing. So that is how you can actually set up the website. You can see very easy and straight to the point. Alright, so that is all for this video today. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.